Hello friends, welcome to my new video. Today we will see unboxing of the Dyson docking station or docking stand, whatever you call it. And this is the packaging how I received. Let's unbox the packaging, the shipping packaging first. Let's get one thing at a time. That's the pole. That's the weight. That's heavy enough to keep it stable on the floor. Then get this pole ready. Let's see how it goes. Was a click sound there. And then next is this one. That's a click again. And that's how it looks standing up here. Problem with this manual is there's nowhere they have explained those instruction. In the words they didn't explain anywhere in the manual about those number 1 2 3 4, and then again you have 1 2 3 4 in the back. There is nowhere they explained us what those numbers stands for and what are those steps for. Nothing, just it's an image and you understand. You have to be smart enough to understand it. Anyway, I'll go ahead and put the wire in there. This piece should be here popping out. Let me put the wire through it, through the pole. Okay, so the charging pin is here. It's locked. Comes out from the back. See this going all the way down. You just have to snap it in here again, push it in this small gap. It takes little pressure for you to keep pushing it down. And then once it is in, you have this charging wire adapter. You can put it in the wall. It's difficult with one hand. Yep, it's gone. Alright, so that's how it is. Let's go and put the machine on this. I got this attachment. This came with the machine, not with the docking station. So I'm going to put this here somewhere down. This will hold two attachment, one here and one on the top, and then one at the machine already has it. Let's go and see how many I can put. 1, 2, and 3. So that's 2 attachment there. Another one goes here, and that's ready to go. So the machine is mounted on this docking station. That's the charging electric wire. So the assembly is done. It was quite quick. It doesn't take more than 10 minutes to assemble it. That brings to the end of this video. For more such video, please hit like and share button, and if you can subscribe, I'll really appreciate it, and I'll try to put more unboxing video as I go. And thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.